How to enable Google Drive's new dark mode on mobile and desktop. Google Drive, the popular cloud storage service, has rolled out its highly anticipated dark mode feature for both mobile and desktop users. This new feature not only enhances the visual appeal of the platform, but also offers benefits such as reduced eye strain, especially in low-light environments. Here's how you can enable dark mode on Google Drive across various devices. For mobile users, Android and iOS, first, ensure that you have the latest version of the Google Drive app installed on your device. Second, open the Google Drive app. Third, tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Choose Theme for Android and Theme for iOS. Now select Dark to enable dark mode. For desktop users, on web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc., open any web browser of your choice and navigate to Google Drive. Sign into your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. Now from the drop-down menu, select Themes. Now choose Dark to switch to dark mode. Google Drive desktop app for Windows or Mac. First, open the Google Drive desktop app on your computer. Now sign into your Google account if required. Click on the settings icon, the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the app window. Here, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under the General tab, locate the Theme section. Choose Dark to activate dark mode. It's worth noting that Google is continuously updating its products, so make sure to keep your Google Drive app or desktop software up to date to access the latest features and improvements.